Hi, I'm Katie. I am your editor-in-chief.
Hi, I'm Katie's mother, Wanda.
Okay, so the 5 things they don't tell you about motherhood. You will never sleep again. I mean, literally, I have not slept a full night since 2013, so there's that.
Besides all the joy and the wonderfulness, there creeps in anxiety, and that anxiety will follow you until the day you die.
Uplifting. Most days are 60% bribery and 40% empty threats.
When your grandbaby arrives, have pure pleasure.
Yeah, much easier, because you just give them ice cream and cake all day and let them watch TV when I drop them off.
True.
It really is the most wonderful thing that you could possibly do.
Absolutely.